Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this video, word of the day, Milat Hayom, we are talking about the word beginning. So beginning in Hebrew is התחלה. This is the Chet, right? The sound of kh. התחלה. 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 And plural, feminine, beginnings, התחלות. 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 They say every beginning has an end. And in the last lesson we learned how to say end. Sof. So, every beginning has an end. לכל התחלה יש סוף. לכל התחלה יש סוף. You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below: Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.